welcome again. This is reading lesson 7. Glad you're back. Let's get going. Of course, we'll do our vowel review, new skill, reading words, and spelling. Okay, so vowel review. So when you see this is the vowel O, and when it's closed in, it will make the ah sound. Good. Make sure you're doing this out loud with me. So the vowel name is I. Good. And the closed sound it's going to make is eh. Good job. And this is vowel A, and the sound it will make when it's closed, ah. Great job. New skill. Okay, so can you say plant? I want you to listen for the ul sound in there, plant. Okay, and then you're gonna hear the ul sound again, and this time it's flip. You hear it? It's the second sound, flip. Good. And then got claw. Can you hear that ul again? These are L blends. Okay, so the first letter blends with the L. We say it really quick when we're talking. Okay, so this is plant. And again, it covers that, makes it harder to see the vowel. Okay, same with flip. It makes it harder to see the vowels. You got to make sure you go sound by sound when you're reading them. Flip. Good. And then cloth. Excellent. So I just wanted to point out that lots of words have L blends in them, and they can be tricky for spelling. But when you read them, just make sure you go sound by sound, and you should be able to read them no problem. Okay, so that was the new skill. So let's go read some words. Let's read these. Flap. The word is flap. Do the sounds. Flip. The word is flip. Good job. Do the sounds. Clan. The word is clan. Awesome. Okay, and the sounds on this one. Slim. The word is slim. Really great. Let's read the word again. Slim, clan, flip, and flap. Great. Good job. Let's read these now. Class. The word is class. Next word. Slap. The word is slap. Great. Next word. Sounds. Plot. The word is plot. And if you can see, there's suffix S here. So we can just ignore it for a minute. Clap. Claps. Excellent. Read those words again. Claps. Plot. Slap. And class. Great job. Okay, let's do some bigger words now. Okay, so you might already be doing it with your eyes. And so you look between. So we've got the 3, and here's the blend. Okay, so then we can concentrate on this syllable, this part. So slip, this part is slip. Next syllable, slop. Slop. The word is slip, slop. Awesome. Other word. Okay. So you might already be kind of looking with your eyes. Okay. There's the 3, there's the blend. So this is where I get to go with my eyes. So this part says, sorry, im, and then we work about the second syllable. Plant, plant, implant. Put something inside something. Implant. Awesome. Just gonna get rid of those marks. Let's read this again. Implant and slip, slop. Awesome. Let's read another one. Okay, so here's my vowels. I look between, there's the blend, the L blend. So this is where it's going to get split. So on, this part, flicked. Flicked. The word is conflict. Awesome. Let's do the next word. Okay. And you might actually already see that where you're going to divide it, but I'm just going to go through the process. There's my vowels. There's the blend. This is where we go. Okay, so this is in, and then flicked. Inflict. Awesome. We'll read those words again. Inflict and conflict. So conflict means you're having a problem, right? Good job. Okay, so let's read this. The class had a conflict with which film to watch. Not happy. Good. Okay, let's read this one now. It is a slim, I'll help you with this word, chance. The implant will fit in his hand. Okay, read that again. It is a slim chance the implant will fit in his hand. So, good job. And now we're going to spell. So if you're using a pencil on a paper, get that ready. Or if you're using a whiteboard, that's cool too. So first we'll do some vowel sounds. So say ah. Ah. What's that? Good. You're writing an O. Good job. Now say ah. Good. You're writing an A. Good job. And say I. Good. That's the I. Really good job. Okay, read those sounds to me. Ah, ah, eh. Awesome. And we're going to write 3 words today, just shorter words, to practice those L blends. So the first word is flap. What sounds do you hear in flap? Ooh, ah. Awesome. So what letters do we need? So make sure you're writing it. Good. Ooh, ah, should be an A. And what's the last sound? Flap. We've written a P. Good job. We wrote the word flap. Next word is plot. So what sounds do you hear in plot? Do it out loud. P-l-o-t. Good. So first was a P to the P. Can you get the sound beside it? Pull. You're writing an L. Good job. Pull. Ah. There's that O and a T. Good job. Plot. Awesome. Last one is slim. Say slim and then do the sounds. Oh, awesome. What letters do you need for slim? S, O, L, and then you hear I, and you're writing an I, that's good. And that, good job, slim. Awesome. Read those words to me. Slim, plot, and flap. Great job today. We did some L blends, which good to know. And you were doing awesome. Good job. Check in with your teacher, and I will see you back on the next lesson. Great job.